I'm Nicole and I'm very excited to share with you the FigLine. For this video, I will be sharing with you the sound of the synthetic drum, the natural drum, and the 3 tippers, all separately. I have a very simple setup for the recording of the drums. I didn't want to go too fancy because a lot of us will not have the opportunity to have proper recording equipment or listen through our borons through proper recording equipment. So it's a simple room with a couch and it's just me, my drums and my tippers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. And if you are interested in purchasing the drums, the tippers, or the tipper bag, please contact me via nicolefig.com. Thank you so much. Bye.